Luna, the world's smallest 360-degree camera. You can easily take 360-degree videos with no blind spot with Luna. Such videos are usually shot with large, expensive rigs. To improve a better experience, we've been through many prototypes to make it smarter to work, lighter to carry, tougher to adventure, and simple to use. Finally, this is where we arrived. A 360-degree camera in a size just like a pool ball. So it's easy to carry anywhere. Or to explore vantage points never possible before. It's designed to be rugged, to suit the wild. Luna's IP68 waterproof rating ensures it can accompany you on your adventures on and off the ground. With built-in Wi-Fi, Luna can communicate with your mobile devices, which can remember the location of your videos and when they were shot. It not only can transfer data wirelessly, but also live stream real-time 360-degree video to iPhone, Android, and tablet. Even more, using virtual reality mode with cardboard makes this a truly immersive experience. Luna's magnetic adapter allows it to transfer data and charge power, while at the same time allowing you to attach it wherever your imagination goes. Performing for a packed audience tonight? Record it on your mic stand. This is Luna, a 360-degree camera for everyone.
It's as simple as hitting a button. But what if you don't? It's okay, because Erga does. Introducing Erga. It's your intelligent camera assistant and personal storage cloud. Erga learns from a database of thousands of professional photos that it divides into specific scenes. Select the one that matches what you're shooting, and it optimizes your settings for the best photo possible. Erga can even capture scenes with high dynamic range. It takes 3 photos at different exposures and combines them into a single HDR image. And its database is constantly being updated, so you'll always have the right technique for any shot. Erga also lets you control your camera from up to 100 feet away. You can see a live
Are you a commander? Commanders rely on their assistants for lens changes. They are often seen bossing their assistant around to try to keep up with their creative style of shooting. Or are you a bagger? Baggers carry 100% of their gear with them like they're boarding an airplane. There will always be a few zippers in the way of fast lens changes. Or are you a gunner? Here's how the quick draw system works. Remove the lens you're finished shooting with, locate and open quick draw, insert the lens just like you would a camera, and let go. Grab your next lens, reverse the process, and go. With the quick draw, you can keep your camera settings and attachments. Leave your backup camera in your bag. Get your own glass within 5 seconds to get the ultimate variety of shots. Lighten your load and get your glass out of your bag and into action. Keep your creative assets around your waist. Quit hiding your glass and start showing it off. Stop fussing with back caps, lens caps, and light hoods to store your glass for later. Keep your glass ready to shoot and get to it with one hand. So I want you to know what your funds are going to go towards. We need tooling and molding for all those custom parts. And also all the money will go towards the first production run, hopefully in quantity. Keep in mind that there's a Canon version and a Nikon version. So there you have it, Kickstarter. This is the quick draw. Thanks for watching, and thanks for pledging.